Hello everyone. Today I'm after the has share the projects this little gamer for God AI for humanity. So this is mine. I'm the creator for the website that of technology. This the AI, the developer project and country. This is a gamer for good built on Google's Let's Open Model technology. This is a project I'm to leverage AI to solve real world problems. In the platform dedicates and they build, develop an ethical AI. So this more the democratic AI and make artificial intelligence the solve real problems. The focus of the matter modes empower community and the resource and build a worldwide platform features everything you need build and deploy ethical AI and then anyone by the future the feature and the AI model builder dataset hub the access the data for the healthcare education the climate and next the real-time inference the models deploy with sub-second and the ethical AI monitoring, the builder famous bias detection and explainability tools, and next the API access uh, for seamless integration into your application. This deployment tools and they deploy to the call Azure or on premise. And next into the solution. Okay everyone, this is future is mind AI, this healthcare AI, education AI, climate AI, and humanitarian AI. The, the healthcare AI, the four in the acceleration and passion, and the medical. Now, next, in this is a choice more the education AI, climate AI, and humanitarian AI. Now, and run AI. So, this is next. And this is have more after. Okay, next I can try the education the AI and healthcare AI. Okay, next in the future of the projects, this is predict AI. This is predictor, smart education assistant. This disaster response AI, climate, how this works, upload the data, train model, deploy AI. The four this Gamma forgot AI for humanity and transparent pricing. Join us the community. This contribute code. Research together. So in the protection, the data privacy, transparent, and yeah. So okay everyone, this is my the website, the projects. So I created for the making the website. This is my the projects with the AI, but it's not the fully more the website 100%. This is in the trying for the website, be be after the making for the website with AI. This is minor projects is making for the website in the competition in Kagle. This the game for hackathons. Okay, okay everyone. Thanks for the watching video. I'm so sorry. It is my false in the mind speaking. And see you next time everyone. And goodbye.